Good morning everyone. Welcome to today's maths class. Today we are going to learn the second method, elimination method, to solve a pair of linear equations. Already we have learnt how to solve a given pair of linear equations by using substitution method. Okay. Now we are using the elimination method to solve pair of linear equations. Okay. Now let us go with the exercise 3.4. Solve the following pair of linear equations by the elimination method and the substitution method. Here we have already learnt how to solve the given pair of linear equations by using substitution method. So you have to do these problems, you have to solve these all equations by using substitution method. That is homework for you. I will use only elimination method to solve these problems. The same problems you have to do as homework by using substitution method. Substitution method you have to do. I will explain only the elimination method. Okay? From the exercise 3.4. Let us do the first Roman. X plus y is equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Okay, these are the two given equations. Now we are going to solve these two equations by using elimination method. Okay, listen carefully. Here, whenever you have to use the elimination method, first of all, we need to check the coefficients of x and the coefficients of y. So we need either the coefficients of x or coefficients of y are equal. Whether they are equal or not, we have to check. See, here x plus y is equal to 5, 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. What is the coefficient of x? 1. What is the coefficient of coefficient of x in the second equation? 2. So these two are not equal. So look at the coefficients of y. What is the coefficients of y in the first equation? 1. What is the coefficient of y in the second equation? Minus 3. These also not equal. So first of all, we need to make either x coefficients or y coefficients are equal. Okay, let us make here we are going to make the y coefficients are equal. How? What are the y coefficients? Here minus 3, here 1. So actually the numerical value without symbol, let us try to get 3. Here there is 3. So let us try to get 3 for the coefficient of y in the first equation. For that, what we need to do? If we want to get 3 in this place, we need to multiply the whole equation with 3. Okay? Multiply the first equation by 3. So we get, 3 into first equation gives 3 into x plus 3 into y is equal to 3 into 5. 3x plus 3y is 3 into 5, 15. Okay. Now this is the equation we got when we multiply the first equation with 3. Now let us take the first equation into 3. What is the first equation into 3? How much did we get? And also, okay, and take the second equation. Now what is the second equation? 2x minus 3y is equal to 4. Now you observe these two equations. Okay, I told you we need to make either x coefficients or y coefficients are to be equal. Here we got the equal coefficients, see, 3 and 3. Of course, they are having opposite symbols, no problem. The numerical value without symbol must be equal for either x coefficients or y coefficients. Now, let us add them. 3x plus 2x, 5x, and 3y minus 3y will be cancelled. You will get 15 plus 4 is 19. Okay. Now, this implies x is equal to 19 by 5. So, we got the x value. Now, substitute x is equal to 19 by 5 in any one of the equations. You can use either first equation or second equation. Let us use the first equation. Why? Because it is simple, with simple numbers. So x plus y is equal to 5. X value is 19 by 5 plus y is equal to 5. Okay, this implies y is equal to 5. If you transpose 19 by 5 to RHS, we get minus 19 by 5. 5 5s are 25 minus 19 by 5. So we get 6 by 5. Therefore, finally we can write, therefore, x is equal to 19 by 5 and y is equal to 6 by 5 is the solution for the given pair of linear equations. Okay. We have solved the given pair of linear equations by using elimination method. Now, as I told you, we have to do the same problem by using substitution method as homework. Okay. Now, look at the second problem. Here there are two equations. Now, I am going to solve these two equations by using elimination method. Now, see, look at this. Here we have to make either x coefficients or y coefficients are equal first. See, here already your opposite symbols are having are there for the coefficients of y. So let us try to change the coefficients of y. Okay. Now, what is the first equation? I will take the first equation as it is, 3x plus 4y is equal to 10. Now, can you just imagine with what number we should multiply the second equation in order to get the same numerical coefficient for y? Here, see, there is 2. So, we should multiply with another 2 to get 4. So, that's why I am going to multiply second equation with 2. So, 2 into 2, 4x. 2 into minus 2, minus 4y. 2 into 2, 4. Here you observe, the first equation we have taken as it is, and the second equation I multiplied with 2. Multiplying the equation in the sense, we should multiply each and every term of the equation. See, 2x into 2 minus 2y into 2 into 2 into 2, 4. See, we get the same number for coefficients of y, 4, 4. Of course, plus 4 and minus 4. Okay, now look at this. Now let us add these two equations. 3x plus 4x, 7x. Minus 4y plus 4y will be cancelled. 10 plus 4, 14. Therefore, x is equal to 14 by 7. 7 2s are 14, therefore 2. Substitute x is equal to 2 in the first equation. Okay, now we get, this implies 3 into x, 3 into 2 plus 4y is equal to 10. So 3 to just 6 plus 4y is equal to 10. 4y is equal to 10 minus 6. And therefore 4y is equal to 4. Therefore y is equal to 4 by 4, we get 1. Therefore x is equal to, what is the x value? 2 and y is equal to 1. This is the solution for the given pair of linear equation. I hope you understood the method, elimination method. Okay, let us solve the next problem. Now look at the third problem. The given pair of linear equations is 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0. 9x is equal to 2y plus 7 is equal to 0. Let us take this first one as first equation, and but this second one, second equation, all the terms are not in one side. So let us take all the terms to LHS. So in order to convert into the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Why? Because the general form of a linear equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Okay, to convert into that form, let us take 2y into LHS, we get minus 2y, and 7 into LHS, we get minus 7. Now let us take this as the second equation. Now observe, what is the first equation? 3x minus 5y minus 4 is equal to 0. Here the second equation is 9x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. So here, what we need to multiply? Here 9x the coefficient of x in the second equation is 9. In order to get 9 for the coefficient of x in the first equation, what should be multiplied? Here 3, here 9. If you multiply 3 for the first equation, we get 9. So, first equation should be multiplied with 3. So that we get 3 3 is a 9x, 3 5 is a 15, y minus 3 4 is a 12 is equal to 0. I multiplied the first equation by 3. And the second equation we need to take as it is. What is the second equation? Of course, this is the given one. I converted like this. Let us take this. 9x minus 2y minus 7 is equal to 0. Now you look at this. The coefficients of x of those two equations are 9, 9. Now, okay, the coefficients of x become same. Now, if you add, the x terms will not be cancelled. So, we must get cancellation for either x coefficients or y coefficients. For that, we should not add them. Why? Because we are not getting cancelled. So, we should subtract these two equations. For subtraction of any two linear equations, remember, we have to change the symbols of any one of the equations. Let us change the symbols of the second equation. Here 9x means minus. Here it is plus actually. There is no symbol, so it is plus. It is converted to minus. Now, this is minus will become plus. This minus will become plus. Now, 9x minus 9x will be cancelled. Okay? Minus 15 plus 2 is minus 13y. Minus 12 plus 7 is minus 5 is equal to 0. Now, minus 13y. Take minus 5 to RHS, we get plus 5. Therefore, y is equal to 5y minus 13. This is the y value. Now, let us solve for x. Substitute y is equal to minus 5 by 13 in the equation 1. Then we get 3x minus 5y. What is the y value? Minus 5 by 13. Minus 4 is equal to 0. Now 3x minus 2 minus plus 25 by 13 minus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore, take minus 4 to RHS and plus 25 by 3 will become 13 will become minus 25 by 13. Okay. Now look at this. 3x is equal to 13 4 ja 52 minus 25 by denominator 13. Therefore, 3x is equal to 52 minus 25 is 27 by 13. Therefore, x is equal to 27 by 13. So, this 3 if you transpose to RHS, it will go to the denominator by 3. 3, 9. Therefore, x is equal to 9 by 13. Therefore, x is equal to 9 by 13 and y is equal to, what is the value of y? Minus 5 by 13 is the solution. Okay. Now look at the fourth problem. X by 2 plus 2y by 3 is equal to minus 1 and x minus y by 3 is equal to 3. Let us take all the terms to LHS so that we get the equations in the form ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now x by 2 plus 2y by 3 minus 1 if you take to LHS it becomes plus 1. And here x minus y by 3 plus 3 if you transpose to LHS we get minus 3. Now let us take these two equations as 1 and 2. Okay, here you look at this. X by 2 and x. Here there is by 2. If you multiply with 2, you will get x. Then the coefficients of x will be equal for the two equations. So, let us multiply the first equation with 2 and take the second equation as it is. Then we get x by 2 into 2. See, look at this. X by 2 into 2. 2 cancel. We get x plus 2 into, otherwise Okay, 2 into 2, 4y by 3 plus 2 into 1, 2 is equal to 2 into 0, 0. Now let us take the second equation as it is. Okay, now what we should do, in order to cancel the x terms, we should change the symbols of the second equation. Minus becomes plus, this minus becomes plus. Here there is nothing symbol, so if it is plus, it will be changed to minus. Now plus x minus x will be cancelled. We get 4y by 3 plus y by 3. 4y by 3 plus y by 3. Please look at the rough work, how I am doing. So let us take y common. Otherwise take LCM directly. 3. So 4y plus y is equal to 5y by 3. So if you add these two, you will get 5y by 3. And 2 plus 3, 5. Now 5y by 3 is equal to minus 5. Okay, then 5y plus by 3 if you transpose to that side, 5 is a 15. Therefore, y is equal to minus 3. Let us substitute y is equal to minus 3 in the first equation. Okay, this implies we get so let us erase this rough work. Now look at this. So this implies we get x by 2 plus 2 y value minus 3 by 3 is equal to minus 1. X by 2 plus into minus minus 6 by 3 is equal to minus 1. 3 2s are 6 minus 1. X by 2 is equal to minus 1 plus 2. Then x by 2 is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 into 2 is equal to 2. Okay. Therefore, the x value 2. Finally, let us write the solution here. Therefore, x is equal to 2. And what is the y value? And y is equal to minus 3 is the solution of the given pair of linear equations. Okay, in this way, we can solve a pair of linear equations by using elimination method. So as of now, we have learnt the substitution method and elimination method to solve any pair of linear equations. Okay, but there is another method that is called cross multiplication method. We are going to learn that one also. That as I told you, these 4 problems, today I explained 4 problems. I solved them only by using elimination method. All those 4 problems we have to solve once again by using substitution method as homework. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.